Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enable or disable PXE Boot on the LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. To do that, you have to launch your device in BIOS mode or the BIOS setup menu. To reach the BIOS setup menu, shut down your computer. Once it's shut down, turn it on by short pressing the power button and repeatedly clicking the F2 key while the device is launching. Once you see the BIOS setup menu, select the boot option on the sidebar. Here, find PXE Boot to LAN. To enable this feature, change its status to enabled. To disable it, change it to disabled. Additionally, if you enable this feature, you can use it as the first boot option, so your laptop will preferably boot from PXE. To do that, change the value of the following option to enabled. Otherwise, select disabled. To apply changes, press F10 and enter. To discard changes, press escape and enter. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.